We're here at the One-to-One Mining Investment Conference in London. Now, Tim, for those who haven't heard the story before, can you give us a brief introduction to the company?
Yeah, absolutely. So Fiore Gold is a relatively new Nevada gold producer. We've been producing for about 2 years from now with assets that we picked up out of a bankruptcy sale. We picked up a $100 million mine for $5 million in 2016 and turned it around and generated it into a profitable cash flowing operation, and now we're using that cash to grow the company.
So talk about the growth, the strategy of the company, and what's your core focus at the moment?
Yeah, so we like Nevada. It's a great jurisdiction and we want to continue to grow there. Right now we're producing sort of between 40 and 50,000 ounces per year. It's a relatively small mine, but it's generating enough cash to fund the development of our next project, which is right next door in Nevada. It's called Gold Rock, and once we get that into production, which should be in about 2 years, it's fully federally permitted, which very much helps. That should put us up over 100,000 ounces a year of production, which I think is really that kind of next step we need to get to make the company more relevant to investors.
So what are the key messages you're trying to get across to investors here at One-to-One?
I think it's, one is that we haven't had to raise equity in 2.5 years, so we're not diluting our shareholders. We're using cash flow from a relatively small but well-run mine to grow the company, and a lot of catalysts coming up in terms of economic studies, in terms of drill results, in terms of really advancing the project.
And how's the One-to-One conference been for you so far?
It's been very good so far. It's been very busy.
Well, thank you very much. It's been great to hear a little bit about the company and look forward to hearing more going forward.
Excellent. Thank you.